Hey everyone, welcome back to Bistigs TV, where we make food that's crazy easy and ridiculously delicious. Today, we're making mango ice cream with just 3 simple ingredients. No machines, no hassle, just pure mango goodness. It's rich, creamy, and once we try this, we'll never want store-bought again. Stick around, this one's gonna be amazing. Let's do it. All right, first, grab some ripe, juicy mangoes. The sweeter, the better. Now, take a knife and slice off both cheeks. Look at that golden goodness. Place them on a plate, and don't forget the middle part. We'll use that too. Easy, right? Let's keep going. Now grab a mango slice and carefully cut it into small cubes. Just don't slice through the skin. Next, take a spoon and carve out those juicy mango cubes. Look at that. So fresh and sweet. Do the same with the rest of the mangoes and place them on another plate. That's it. Mango prep is done. Now let's move on to the creamy part. All right, now let's make our creamy base. Grab a big empty bowl and pour in 2 cans of all-purpose cream. This stuff is thick, rich, and the key to that smooth, velvety texture we want in our ice cream. Now take a hand mixer and start whisking. Begin on low speed, then slowly increase it. We're looking for a light, fluffy, and slightly thickened texture. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Keep whisking until it turns silky smooth. You'll notice it getting a little thicker. That's exactly what we want. This step is super important because it gives the ice cream that soft, creamy, melt-in-your-mouth goodness. And just like that, our base is ready. Now let's make it sweet and extra mango-licious. Now it's time to sweeten things up. Pour in 1 can of mango-flavored condensed milk. This adds the perfect balance of sweetness and that rich mango taste. Give it a quick mix until everything is smooth and combined. Looking good already. Now let's bring in that fresh mango flavor. Pour half of the mango cubes into the bowl. Grab your hand mixer and whisk it all together until it's silky smooth. You'll see the mango blending right in, making the mixture thick, creamy, and packed with flavor. This is where the magic happens. Our ice cream base is turning into pure mango heaven. Now, pour in the rest of the mango cubes and gently stir everything together. This adds juicy mango bits in every bite. So good! Now, pour the mixture into a food container. Smooth out the top and cover it up. Pop it in the freezer overnight. And that's it. The hardest part is waiting. Ice cream is ready. And just like that, our homemade mango ice cream is ready. Take it out of the freezer and look at that. So creamy and packed with mango goodness. Grab a scoop and just listen to that soft, velvety texture. It's smooth, rich, and loaded with real mango chunks in every bite. This is the ultimate tropical treat. So fresh, so creamy, and absolutely delicious. And that's it, everyone. Our homemade mango ice cream is done. So simple, so creamy, and insanely delicious. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Bistigs TV for more amazing recipes. We've got plenty more mouth-watering dishes coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers!